Hello, welcome to this lecture. This lecture course introduction. My name is Shekhar Metla, software trainer. I'm the industry from past 2 decades. I have worked with involved with programming languages and different databases as well. I am involving here to giving you real-time concepts and real-time practical oriented level of the course is designed for you. Let's begin the introduction. Complete MS SQL from scratch. MS SQL database for this course we have used. This course is designed for SQL beginners, software professionals, and business professionals to know about SQL and functionality of it. And you can use this online tutorial to speed up and slow down videos for complete program. Whenever you require to make it as a revise of this particular online tutorial of the class, you can revise as you wish to continue. Learn at any time from anywhere using internet on mobile or computer system. Make sure to use of FAQs and practical exercises. How you will get help? Yes, check with your knowledge using documentation. For quick instance help, Google it what you are facing an issue with it. All you have to enter on the Google with the error message what you are getting on your query window while preparation of the query statements. Or Stack Overflow will have a big huge database or there for giving you solutions which is accurately you will get most probably the relevant solution to you on quick instance. Submit your questions and ask QA forum for details on this platform. You will try to with the screenshot of error message or SQL query what you have practiced. There you will get a response from us. How to approach this course? Best way to approach this course is review videos with your practical hands-on sessions. Follow the video guide with documents, extra information for practice notes, review certain information by doing exercises of examples and follow all the parts of video sessions. Once the parts of the sessions are completed, you will be an SQL professional on your area. Once achieving your career goals, you have to choose for MS SQL. A lot of career opportunities are available nowadays. Most of the companies are looking for SQL developer, SQL professional, and SQL analyst and data scientist for this with the field. All the courses what you want to require is from the basic beginner level you require. That is we covered from scratch. Start learning new challenges today. Well, curriculum session on next lecture you will see. Enroll today and enjoy the course. I hope you are in welcoming to the session and this course. Thank you for watching this session. Thank you.